This video is going to be about navigating the course. So for your Math 1321 Summer 2020 course, this is how you're going to get started. Now, every document that you're going to see me pull up on this video is available to you. I sent it to you via email, and they're also posted in Blackboard. So make sure you check your email every day for this course, because I'll send announcements and important information about the course. So in an email from me, you will have all these documents. And I sent you a document on getting started. And it basically says, let's go to Blackboard and open up this Getting Started tab. In that tab, what you'll see is some videos that you can watch if you've never taken an online course before. I think this may be helpful to you. The second task you need to complete is register with Pearson's Mylab and Mastering. Registration is open now, and all the course materials will open tomorrow, July the 3rd. So you want to get registered as soon as possible with Pearson's MyMathLab. The document I sent you looks like this on how to get registered. You've got all the information needed on how to get registered. This is the course ID you'll need to input when you're registering. And you can get temporary access, free temporary access, when you register if you don't happen to have the purchase subscription at this point. So this is all the information you need on getting registered with Pearson's MyMathLab. So it's all contained in that document. Okay, so once you get registered in MyMathLab, you'll want to become familiar with MyMathLab. I'm going to save that for the next video. Fourth tab is to make sure you print all the important documents for this class. The syllabus, the calendar. Place all those in your binder for the course, whether your binder is digital on your computer or you have a physical hands-on binder that you create. Keep these documents handy, because the syllabus is my contract with you, and the calendar tells you the due date for everything we'll do this semester. Tests, homework, projects. And then finally there is a document on navigating the course, and we're about to talk about that, but how you're going to navigate through this course. So these are the 6 tasks you need to get done prior to the start of the semester. And that start of the semester is Monday, July 6th. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about navigating the course. So I am going to go to Blackboard. When you open Blackboard, this is what you'll see. And the first tab will be some welcome videos, where I'll have information about me. I'm also going to post this video as well as my next one on how to work through MyMathLab. So these videos give you a good start to the course. The Getting Started tasks basically is a copy of a document that I sent to you on how to get started. Those 6 things you must complete. Well, actually, do I have a 7th here? 1, 2, 3. Oops, they are misnamed. This should be 4th, 5th, and 6th. I'll have to go back and change that. So yes, there are 6 tasks. I just have to go back and number those correctly. And so, as I said before, keep these documents in a place that you can access them very quickly. You want to have that syllabus ready. You want to have your calendar ready, have read through the calendar, have read completely through the syllabus before the start of the semester. So that is the Getting Started tasks and your course documents. Okay, now how are you going to access the coursework? Well, we'll go to the Coursework tab here in Blackboard. And I have the information set up in 3 units. Okay, first unit being Geometry, Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. So you would open up a unit, and in that unit you'll have a to-do list. So for every section, you will want to sort of follow this protocol, print the note sheets, take notes on the note sheets as you watch the videos. It is so important to be organized. So take organized notes. Once you take your notes on your note sheet, you'll go to my math lab, work on any assignments, homework assignments, check your calendar for due dates, and complete any quizzes. Actually, I won't have any quizzes in my math lab. But check your calendar for due dates and complete those homework assignments or tests, whatever happens to be due that week. I've also provided you a weekly checklist. Looks like this. And again, it's going to help you develop a very healthy routine for this course. Did I check my email every day? Did I check my calendar to see what's due? Is it a test? Did I print my formula sheet I can use on that test? Did I prepare for the test by working the test review? And so on. Did I print my note sheets? Did I watch the videos? Did I fill out my note sheets? Did I complete my assignments? So this is kind of your plan every day or every week for the course. And notice my sweet little wildflowers there at the bottom. Okay, let's go back. All right, so you've got your to-do list, your checklist. Then I have the three sets of, in this case, three units, not units, but three folders of materials. So then you would go to geometry. Your objectives are listed right there. Here's the note sheet for geometry. So you can either put that on your computer and work on it digitally, or print off a paper copy and work on the paper copy. But you want to take really good notes. So have this note sheet available to you. Notice I've got formulas, some problems to work through. So now that you have that note sheet available to you, what you're going to do is watch the videos. So geometry video part 1 is right here in Blackboard. So I would have pencil and paper on the side or my note sheet, and I would just begin watching the videos and taking notes. I do hope the volume is, oh yeah. Okay, so you've got my video, and what's great is you can fast forward me, you can rewind me. If you need to hear something again, rewind even further. So these videos are available to you, and it's where I'm lecturing on and explaining how to work through the problems in this particular content area. So yeah, you can fast forward me, back me up, whatever you need to do for that particular lesson. There's a second video and actually a third video. Once you've watched those videos and taken really great notes on those, then you are now ready to go to my math lab. And so go to my math lab, you'll sign in. You will choose your course, and what you'll see when you open the course looks like this. Now you will have had to already register in my math lab, but when you log in, this is what you'll see, and my next video will talk more about my math lab. But getting through the material is what this video is about. Getting through, I guess, the Blackboard portion, which would be note sheets, videos. Then go to my math lab and practice. So that's what I would do for geometry. And when I was done with geometry, I would go back to Unit 1. I would go down and start Chapter 2. And then in Chapter 2, I would open up Section 2A, where I see my note sheets. I see the objectives. I see the note sheet. I see a conversion sheet that's going to help me. And once I have those available to me, either digitally or in paper, I would start watching the videos and take very good notes on those videos for that particular section. So I can open up the video and watch, learn, and take notes. So here in section, okay, so you'll get information on what's happening in that section. Once you watch all 3 videos, now you're ready to go back and practice in my math lab. Okay, let me go back one more to the coursework, Unit 1. Now, once you're done with Unit 1, you are going to have a unit test that's going to be taken in my math lab. So here's some information about your test. You have review materials. You don't have to take the test in a proctored environment, but you do have to follow UALR's Code of Ethics while testing. Right here, I've attached the formula sheet that you're allowed to use when you're testing. It has any conversions you may need, any formulas you may need, that's going to be available to you. So you don't have to memorize formulas. Hooray! So this is information about your test. All the due dates are on the calendar. And at the end of Unit 1, you're going to have a project to do. Now this is hidden because I've not completed the project yet. I've not finished refining it. But this is where your projects for each unit will be housed. Okay, but that's not available to you yet when you log into Blackboard. So within each unit, you'll have note sheets and videos and homework in my math lab. Then you'll have a test over that unit in my math lab, and you will also have to complete a project. There'll be 3 projects for the course. One for Unit 1, one for Unit 2, as you can see. Again, those may change. I'm not sure what my projects are going to look like yet this semester. And then finally, Unit 3. You'll have a project to go with that, and it will actually be your final project. You will not have a final exam in this course. In lieu of a final exam, you will be creating and uploading and making a presentation on a final project. Well, I hope this is helpful in getting you started in navigating the course. Always email me, let me know if you have any questions. Next video is going to be on navigating my math lab.